Hello, we are here for a review about some packing cubes from ALPAKA, the ALPAKA brand that I really like. They send all this to me. So you have here the ALPAKA Travel Packing Cube, which is amazing. You have then the packing cube collection right here. You have a small one, which is kind of long. You have a medium one like this, and you have a big one, the large one like this. So first we will begin with the travel packing cube. So the main usage for me, so I used it already quite a lot, is to go on weekends and to put in your small backpack to compress your gear. On the outside, as you can see, it's kind of a black-gray thing with this kind of mesh here. You have here a Epaulant tab with the brand ALPAKA. Then you have some reversed YKK zippers all the way around. They are the same zippers all the way. So it's YKK, and if you want to know if you are a nerd about this, it's YKK 5RC, as you can see right here. Okay, they are really good zippers. You have on the outside the outside pocket where you can fit some flat items like socks or underwear. As I can show you right now, it's flat. It will sit on top of the main compartment. In the inside you have this honeycomb design, which is nice. Then you have the main pocket, which is right here. If you open it all the way around, it opens like this. You have the same honeycomb pattern, and then you see that it's pretty flat because we didn't open the compression strap. And on the inside you have this thing that is really special. It's like no odor special tissue from Japan. I used it and it works pretty much. When you use it, you don't have any odor problem. So this is without opening the compression strap. And if we don't close it, but we open the other zipper that is right here and goes all the way around also, we have then the full revelation. As you can see, it's like this, and now this can open pretty much like this, and you have quite a bit of space to put all your gear inside. As you can see right here, I have this much space, so it's quite nice. Then the purpose is to close it and then you compress it. So I think the main use case for this packing cube, as I said, was to use it on weekends or short trips. You can maybe use it for a 1 week trip if you're really a one bag traveler and you use a lot of merinos and maybe you wash your clothes or something like this. But other than that, it's I think it's a go-to for the weekend, and I will add it to my panoply, to my collection. I will use it. I think it will be my first go-to packing cube. So, if I can show you a little bit how I pack it, we will begin like this. I will fit it with some gear. It's maybe not the best collection of clothes. You have here a pant, it's a small pant that I rolled around. Then you have a short, which is right here. You have a short right here. I will put this like this. You already see that there are some items that take a lot of space, but we still have some space to work with. Then I have a first Merinos t-shirt. Then I have a second Merinos t-shirt right here. Then I will put some socks. So we have one pair of socks here and another pair of socks. They are pretty fat socks, so merino socks. So if you have, if it's summer or you don't need all this, you can maybe fit way more. Then I will close it, okay? And then now the magic happens. So as you can see, it's pretty much like this. So quite high. And if so the tip I will give you is to put your finger inside, and then you just do this and look at the side. I didn't overfill it, but I think I overfilled it on some occasions, and I had no problem at all with the zippers. They were pretty nice. So as you can see now, it's coming to this. So it got down quite a bit, and if you push it like this, you can even close it further. And now you have this front pocket that you can work with, and for example, I can put some underwear right here. So I will put them like this. Then I will put this one, and maybe a third one too, like this. And that's about it. Now you can close it. You can close it, and it's pretty nice. And you have all your gear like this. And so the use case is you have all your gear in your backpack, you arrive at your destination, you open everything, you take out everything, you put it in a closet or something. And then when your gear and your clothes are stinky or you need to wash them, you put them inside, and with the odor-absorbing mesh, you will be alright. And when you put this on your backpack, when you get home, you can wash. So it's pretty nice. And as you can see, I fitted it quite a lot, and you can see a little bit the construction, and it's holding pretty nice. So that was it. This was the Travel Packing Cube. Now we will go with the other collection, which is the Packing Cube collection. You have here the large one, medium and small one. I will talk about the small one, but the other are the same. You have a very nice material here. It's quite thin and it's very light. You have, it's a black color. You have the same YKK zippers, but not the same pull tab. You don't have the compression strap. That's too bad, but it's to make them very small and very light. You have this mesh, which is nice. You can see through, and it can dry, or the air is going through this. And then you have this like that. If I put some gear inside, if I still have some gear, I will open the other one and take out the gear to show you. Okay, so if I put some gear inside, I can put some two Merinos t-shirts, and then I can put a pant also, like this. And can I fit also a short? We will see. If I put a short inside and I want to close everything, will it fit? And the small one, it fits perfectly. You can put even more inside. This is the small one. You still have this one, which is the medium one, and then you have the large one right here. So in this you can fit quite a lot, as you can see. And yeah, that's about it. The use case for this, I think it's better to use it with a suitcase. When you have a big empty space in your suitcase and you want to organize a little bit, you can use them. And also, if you are at home and you just want some organization, you can use this. But for the one-bag travel type of guy, I will maybe more recommend this, which is a travel packing cube. And yeah, with the compression feature, I think it's amazing. The build quality is better on this than this, but obviously you got one for the price, and for kind of the same price you have three on the other collection. So yeah, if you want to do one bag travel, take this one, the travel packing cube. If you want to put and to organize your suitcase or at home, I recommend this. So don't forget the 15% discount link down in the video description and the links for all these gears. Thanks again to Alpaca for sending all this. This will definitely make it to my personal collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, put a like. See you around. Bye bye.